This segment of Delmarva Life is brought to you by Provident State Bank.
So you're planning to buy a new home because you're growing your family, or you're facing an empty nest, you're starting a new job, or you just need a little more space for your home office, and you're hearing that mortgage rates are at all-time lows. So now what do you do first? Gosh, what a great question. And here to help answer it is mortgage sales manager Joe Dometer from Provident State Bank. Joe, how are you?
Fine, thanks. How are you today?
Wonderful. Thanks for talking to us this afternoon. So we're talking these mortgage rates. What should be the first thing we should do? Should we go ahead and call our banker?
Yeah, I would say whether you're looking to build, buy, refinance, if you're looking for mortgage money, the first thing you want to do is check with your local mortgage banker.
Okay. What about, I've got my eye on this house. It might be a little high. It's only $750,000, but I think maybe I can do it. What's the best way to start our home search?
Again, I think that, your best bet, check with a local mortgage lender, have a conversation, get pre-qualified. The mortgage market today, the housing market is really hot. And most realtors, even before you go out and talk to a realtor, but if you reach out to a realtor, the first thing they're going to ask you is, have you been pre-qualified? So, you want to get with a lender and find out, what you can qualify for.
Okay, so explain to me what pre-qualification is.
So basically, we're going to have a conversation with the borrower, potential borrower, and we're going to ask them about their income, their debts, their needs, their wants. Tell me a little bit about your story, what you're looking to do.
Right.
And then based on that, we can give them a better idea of what they might qualify for.
So that way I'm not going to be shooting above what I've qualified for and have to start the process all over again.
Exactly. So part of the discussion is going to have to do with income. How do you get paid? Are you salaried? Are you hourly? Are there bonuses or commissions involved? Are you self-employed? Each one of those has its own challenges potentially. We're going to ask about, debts. And typically it's monthly debts, car loans, student loans, personal loans, credit cards, and we're going to factor all that into the equation. And we're going to come up with a ratio. One is the housing ratio, and then the other is typically the total debt ratio. Okay.
Uh-huh.
And then based on that discussion, we can give you a better idea of exactly what you're going to qualify for in terms of a mortgage amount.
How are the rates? Are the rates pretty good right now?
We're seeing rates at historic lows. That's partially what's driving this market. That's why everyone's incredibly busy. And, if you're looking to purchase, I would say allow yourself some extra time. Typically, we were looking at a turnaround time of 30 days. And now it's getting closer to 60 days. And what's driving that is there's so much demand, and the appraisers that need to go out and do physically inspect the property, they're running behind. So that process is now drawn out. It's much longer than it used to be.
So is it a good idea to go with my local bank, or should I try one of these big nationwide companies that say, oh, hey, we'll...
Well, the big nationwide companies do a great job. Don't get me wrong. But your local bank is a great place to start. You're going to get someone to pick up the phone if you call your local lender. Or if you go to a local branch, call a local bank. You're going to get more personalized service. And certainly, your community banks can offer everything that the big national lenders can offer. We have the same product array. If people think back years ago, there was one product that was kind of a one-size-fits-all. The
Right.
mortgage business, that market has changed dramatically over the last decades. So there are dozens and dozens of products available and programs available to fit pretty much anyone's needs.
I'll be honest with you, going local, I feel like they know me better anyway, as far as what I am, what I can do, who I am, things like that. So let me ask you this. If I'm refinancing, let's say I just bought a house.
Yes.
If I'm refinancing, can I go from like a 30-year mortgage to a 15?
Yep. So we're seeing a lot of people do that right now. With the rates being so low, we're seeing people go from a 30-year to a 15-year loan. And that monthly mortgage payment is not much different than what they've got now. And the big advantage is they're cutting off, 10, 12 years off their existing mortgage. So they're building equity that much faster. They're getting to the finish line that much faster. So it's a great time to refinance.
Construction loans, if now's a good time for a construction loan.
Construction is really hot, especially in the mid-shore and the lower shore. One of the big challenges that we see on the shore is actually we see it nationwide. There's a lack of existing standing inventory, housing inventory. We're blessed on the shore to have a lot of land. And what we're seeing is more and more people are looking to build houses simply because they can't find what they want in the marketplace. It's just not available. And with rates being so low, they can build their dream house. And again, it's a great time because rates are so low.
And regardless of where I am on Delmarva, there's a Provident State Bank close by, isn't there?
Absolutely.
Another round of stellar advice from Provident State Bank. Joe Domador, thank you so much for talking to us this afternoon. It's been wonderful talking to you.
Great. Thank you, Jimmy. Have a good evening.